Subaru has built a strong reputation for all-wheel drive capability, safety, and dependable performance in tough conditions, especially with models like the Outback and Forester. But as the automotive landscape evolves, brands like Mazda, Toyota, Honda, and Lexus are giving Subaru a run for its money when it comes to long-term reliability, value, and overall ownership experience. So if you're looking for something better, here are the brands you need to know. Honda. Honda is widely recognized for its mechanical reliability and consistency over time. Vehicles such as the CR-V, Civic, and Accord have been known to remain operational with minimal powertrain issues even at mileages between 150,000 and 300,000. These models typically continue to function without significant problems, showing few warning lights, misfires, or transmission-related concerns even after extended daily use. A major contributor to this reliability is Honda's engine and transmission design. The brand is known for its precision engineering, resulting in powertrains that retain performance over extended service lives. For example, while the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine initially experienced fuel dilution issues, particularly in colder climates, Honda implemented software updates and made design revisions in later production models to resolve the problem and improve long-term reliability. Honda uses a mix of traditional automatic transmissions and refined continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, depending on the model. These systems have shown a relatively low rate of long-term issues compared to those in some competing vehicles. Reports of transmission hesitation, rev flare, or major replacements around 150,000 miles have been more common in certain non-Honda models, while Honda vehicles have experienced these problems less frequently. All-wheel drive systems in Honda vehicles such as the CR-V and Passport are designed to handle various conditions, including rain, snow, and light off-road driving. These systems are generally integrated without a pattern of drivetrain-related failures, contributing positively to Honda's reputation for long-term durability. Routine maintenance for Honda models is typically straightforward, involving basic services such as oil changes, fluid checks, and brake maintenance. These vehicles are not commonly associated with high repair costs or complex servicing needs, even at higher mileage. Overall, Honda remains a preferred choice among consumers seeking reliable, long-lasting vehicles with predictable maintenance and durable drivetrain systems suited for everyday use. Mazda. Mazda has demonstrated strong long-term durability across several of its models, including the CX-5, Mazda 3, and Mazda 6. Many of these vehicles have surpassed 100,000 miles with minimal reports of interior degradation, trim wear, or diminished driving performance. This level of durability is often attributed to Mazda's engineering choices, such as the use of conventional automatic transmissions and naturally aspirated engines in most of its lineup. Unlike some manufacturers that rely heavily on continuously variable transmissions or complex turbocharged powertrains, Mazda's Skyactiv platform is designed to emphasize mechanical reliability, lower maintenance demands, and fuel efficiency. These engines have not been commonly associated with frequent CVT failures or oil consumption issues that have been reported in some competing brands. Mazda vehicles are also noted for their emphasis on responsive handling and well-balanced chassis design. For example, the CX-5 is engineered to deliver driving dynamics more comparable to a smaller, performance-oriented vehicle rather than a typical compact SUV, contributing to consistent handling characteristics over time. Interior quality is another area where Mazda models have shown resilience. Soft touch materials are frequently used in high-contact areas, and controls and switchgear often maintain their tactile feedback after extended use. Mazda's infotainment systems, though relatively simple in design, have generally proven to be stable, with fewer instances of lag or system malfunction compared to some competing systems. Mazda's overall reliability is characterized by the absence of widespread drivetrain failures, electrical issues, or early component degradation. With a consistent track record of mechanical durability and interior integrity beyond the 100,000-mile mark, Mazda remains a strong option for buyers seeking a vehicle with reliable long-term performance and minimal ownership concerns. Lexus. Lexus consistently ranks among the top brands for long-term reliability. As Toyota's luxury division, it shares the same engineering focus on durability and simplicity while delivering greater comfort, refinement, and build quality. A prime example is the Lexus RX 350, powered by the well-established 3.5-liter V6 engine. This powertrain has been known to perform reliably beyond 250,000 miles, with few reported issues related to mechanical failure, warning lights, or drivability. By contrast, some Subaru models have been linked to long-term concerns such as internal wear, elevated oil consumption, and CVT-related issues, especially after 100,000 miles. While Subaru is recognized for its all-wheel drive systems and practicality, its reliability over time can differ from brands like Lexus, which emphasize tested mechanical components and conservative tech integration. Lexus interiors are also known for their longevity. Materials like leather, wood trim, and electronics tend to hold up well, even after a decade of use. Older models often retain both visual quality and full functionality. Lexus typically avoids early adoption of complex or unproven features, focusing instead on long-term system stability. As a result, high-mileage models like the ES sedan, GX SUV, and earlier generations are commonly seen in active use with minimal major repairs. While Subaru excels in AWD performance, especially in rough conditions, brands such as Toyota, Honda, and Lexus consistently outperform in long-term reliability. These automakers are often recommended for their dependable performance, low maintenance costs, and durability well past the 100,000-mile mark. Toyota is well known for its long-term durability and reliability. Models like the Camry have frequently surpassed 200,000 miles while maintaining solid performance, and high-mileage Tacoma trucks with original drivetrains continue to operate with minimal mechanical issues. A major contributor to this longevity is Toyota's engineering philosophy, which favors naturally aspirated engines and traditional 6- or 8-speed automatic transmissions. These systems are widely recognized for their mechanical simplicity and proven reliability, offering a contrast to the more complex CVTs used in some competing brands. Models like the RAV4 and Highlander still feature conventional automatics. Toyota also prioritizes long-term functionality over adopting cutting-edge or experimental tech. Its infotainment systems are generally stable, with few reported software issues, and physical controls like buttons and switches typically remain intact and responsive over time. Interior components such as seats, door mechanisms, and controls often retain their function and structure in older Toyota models, reinforcing the brand's reputation for lasting quality. Maintenance is typically straightforward, with affordable parts and a broad service network helping to keep long-term ownership costs manageable. In summary, Toyota's focus on simplicity, serviceability, and proven engineering has helped it maintain a strong reputation for vehicle longevity and high resale value. Thank you for watching.